Stop by and take a look at 2016 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, CD player, panic alarm, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.